Hello, my name is Phillipson and this is my introduction video for the Collision Drumstick brand. I'm from Doncaster, I've been playing for 15 years and the bands that I play with are Joker's Belief, Cure for Conspiracy and Turn in June. I will be now talking to you about a few things that I adore about the Collision brand. So the first thing I like about the Collision Drumstick brand is the wide variety of drumsticks that they provide. They provide drumsticks such as 7A, 7B, 5A, 5B, and then what I've been playing with is the Collision 5BRs. The quality of the drumsticks themselves is incredible as well. I'm a hard hitter when it comes to playing drums, and these have stood the test of time. I've been playing with these for 4 to 5 months now, and they're better than any other drumstick that I've played with. They're incredible. The last thing is the endorsement plan that they provide. For someone like myself who's been drumming for a good amount of time but has never been endorsed, is very welcoming as well. They're providing me the opportunity to promote their products but also promoting myself as well. So it's a win-win situation for both of us. So now you're going to be watching me perform my track with my band Joker's Belief using the 5BR sticks. Now this track is called Heavy as the Crown. We performed this in the practice room where you could see me clearly holding the drumsticks, so you know that I'm using them. Thank you very much, Collision Drumsticks, for this opportunity, and I hope you enjoy.
And we can all hear each other and have a jolly good time.